Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll learn the simple and updated way to delete all your saved data from Google Chrome's password manager. Whether you're switching devices, tightening your privacy, or just want a fresh start, this quick guide will walk you through every step clearly. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser on your computer or mobile device. Wait a moment for it to load, then look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up a new page with all your Chrome preferences. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Autofill. Under that, tap on Password Manager. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved passwords and login information stored by Chrome. Before deleting, take a moment to make sure you've backed up any important passwords if you still need them. Now look to the bottom right corner of the Password Manager page. You'll notice a gear icon that represents the Settings option. Tap on it to open the Password Manager settings. Inside, you'll find several controls related to how Chrome saves and synchronizes your passwords. Scroll down until you see the option that says Delete All Data. When you tap on this, Chrome will ask you to confirm your action. This step is important because once you confirm, all saved passwords, usernames, and related data will be permanently erased from your account. After you confirm, Chrome will instantly clear all your password information, both from your device and from your Google account if it's synced.